Well, this is Horseshoe Bay Terminal early Saturday morning. The terminal was moving and bouncing with the strong wind gusts and rain. And we're taking a look at those wind gusts. They were gusting all the way up towards 100 kilometers right along the Sunshine Coast throughout areas of BC. Now, as we do head towards the early parts as of 5 a.m. on Saturday morning, there were over 140,000 power outages along areas of the Lower Mainland and the Sunshine Coast, stretching into Vancouver Island. Now, as we go through the day today, those winds will be weakening, and that's all thanks to that cold front pushing further east, still bringing showers below 112 meters of elevation and snow in those higher elevations. We're going to talk a little bit more about the total rain accumulation by the time the system is done. However, winter storm warnings are in place if you're heading from Hope to Merritt or the other way around, looking at accumulations upwards of 20 to 30 centimeters by the time the system moves out on Sunday, and snowfall warning regions can see those totals closer to 10 to 25 centimeters. Now, as the system moves, there is another system bringing rain on Sunday with those heaviest totals right along Vancouver Island in the western end, with totals closer to 100 millimeters.